Hey, so what's up guys? So today I had a completely different video plan, but I kept landing on stuff that I really didn't want to put in. So, like, yeah, I'm not even going to get into that, but today we're just going to look at, through BuzzFeed here, at some of the most satisfying some of the most satisfying pictures that you could possibly ever take. And, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, yeah, so here we go. So first here we got up a pancake, and that does look like a very delicious pancake there, and that is almost too perfect. It's kind of satisfying, but it's ominous at the same time. I want to know how. How do you cut watermelons to be so square? I mean, some of these almost look photoshopped to my standards. Like, I don't know how you get that to be so square. Thank you for your service too. I think this is like a toothpaste tube. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but that is like from like here to her. It's like perfectly flat. Satisfying but ominous. This is a perfect cube of pyrite and natural rock matrix. That is oddly satisfying. I don't know if some of these do look honestly photoshopped, so I don't know what's all going on here, but satisfying but eerie. Nah, we don't want to visit Instagram. We wouldn't want to look through that. But let's all stop and enjoy this perfect snowball. How do you get something like that so perfect? I mean, I can make snowballs, but I just can't get it that perfect. And the perfect purchase. 24 gallons. 7 gallons for $24. I wish I could get that type of gas. 24/7. Tell me why that's like something out of a cartoon, because it's like all of this is just so molded together, but also the lights are like almost too perfect to my standards. Um, huh, huh. Apparently you can put Hershey's Kisses in, or Hershey's, whatever that is, in strawberries. Not strawberries. Oh, those strawberries? No, no. It almost looks like a poop emoji. Not gonna lie, that really does look like a poop emoji. Um, so yeah, that really does look like a poop emoji because it's so perfect. Just add some eyes and a smiley face. I am not really certain what to say here. I mean, it is the perfect peel and all. Perfect peel. But if you got dirt, that little spot. But I guess I can't really blame the guy, or even this guy. Can't blame him for this and that. You must have some serious OCD if you're color coordinating all your apps, like green, blue, red, white. That is like beyond OCD. Like, for real. And these books are all in order, is apparently the title of this. That's satisfying, like, just to look at, like, that whole center. It almost looks like one of those surface mines or something. What I'm most amazed about is this. I think that's a drawing of Abraham Lincoln. Like, if you can draw that realistically, then you need to be an art museum or something. Somewhere out there is a beautiful genius who did this. Red, green, white, black, blue, yellow. And these bartenders who just get it. Now that is presentation of product there. Like, I don't care what it is. That is like some serious, like, product presentation there. Ah, these peppers. Only till someone takes something off the bottom row and messes this all up. Wish my desk looked like that in school. No, not. That's still part. See? Okay, I don't really get this one. What's the title? That circle. Oh yeah, that circle is quite perfect there. Yeah, I can't even make a circle that perfect with my mouse. But, sorry, my phone's going off. Random text. Yeah, that's going to wrap it up for the video today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And, yeah, there's going to be an annotation to my last video. Don't forget to check that out. That is I believe it's called The Best Dad Jokes. So don't forget to check that out, along with the most exotic pets that you can own or people do own. So yeah, don't forget to go check that out, and see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.